What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro GBP, EURCAD, and Euro NZD. Looks like that this Euro pairs giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now we'll look at one by one all of them. Make sure you stick till the end. Before I begin, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So, starting with first of all, Euro GBP. To see the bigger picture, first of all, we'll look at the monthly, weekly to see the direction in the market, daily, and then we'll come back to 4 hour time frame to see how we can trade them. Now, starting with first of all monthly time frame to see the bigger picture. Now, Euro GBP over the long term in the big picture is in a downtrend. Now, if you see that this is a downtrending market structure, starting from here, there's a big move followed by correction, another move, correction. So every time the price was creating series of lower high and lower low and moving along this channel for extended period of time. Now, this current month, what we have seen that Euro GBP broke this channel to the upside completely, quite a few months high, and then again we saw that significant rejection. So, because this is an overall downtrending market, we can expect still a downward push in this market on the lower time frame. So monthly we see now a rejection to the downside, so we might see this rejection to continue. Now go to the weekly time frame. What we see that the previous week, this is the top of the weekly candle, and we saw that this candle basically crossed all this high including this one up to here and then rejected with a strong bearish candle. Now this week, as soon as the market opened, the price went for a retracement and again another push to the downside. So we can expect this push to continue as this is an overall downtrending market, and at least we might see that Euro GBP is moving in this zone. So we still have a gap to fill to come to the downside. Now go to the daily time frame. What we see that on the daily, Euro GBP broke down quite a few days. The price came down, followed by this retracement to the upside with this long wick and with this green candle. The price went above for retracement. Now, at this point, what we see that again the price pushing down, and we can expect at least to fall back to this level of support. If it wants to consolidate, then at least we can expect the price to come to this level of support on the lower time frame, and that could give us a significant trading opportunity even on the lower time frame. So if we extend this support, we can expect up to here at least Euro GBP to fall back, which is a good trade on the lower time frame. Now go to the 4 hour time frame. What kind of price action it is forming? Now on the 4 hour, as you see that the price created very interesting structure. First of all, when the price went above, created this structure and broke above. This is a fake move to the upside, and then immediately came down, went for retracement, completed a head and shoulder, and then the price came down, again went above. You see that the price now just below the neckline of this head and shoulder. If you draw a level here, so what do you see that this is the last point of this head and shoulder, though this is a dynamic support. What do you see that the price created this level of support here in this head and shoulder, broke down. Now with this double top here on the 4 hour time frame, what we see the price basically tested this uh, support as resistance and created a double top here, double top, followed by this current candle is look like it is trying to create a doji or a pin bar. So upon closing of this current 4 hour candle, if it closes something like that or as a doji, can give us a significant selling opportunity to the downside with a tight stop loss above this high and at least 1 to 2 or 3 risk to reward ratio, which can give us a significant trading opportunity to the downside on Euro GBP. Now let's see what's happening with EURCAD. Now EURCAD and Euro GBP looking like the similar kind of pattern is creating. Now first of all, let's quickly look at the bigger picture. Now monthly, EuroCAD is a very strongly bearish market. If you look at the picture, it's a long-term bearish market. After this pin bar on the monthly, back to back every month, EuroCAD is dropping. Now at this point, what we see that EURCAD just been bounced from the previous month's low. Let's draw a level here, and what we are expecting the price to even break this monthly low and continue to drop, as it is a long-term bearish market and we still see there are some gap to fill. With that being said, let's see on the weekly time frame what it is doing. Now on the weekly, we saw a bearish engulfer previous. So you see this bearish engulfer crossed the all 3 weeks high and then closed as a bearish engulfer. Now as soon as the market opened this week, as expected, the price went above to this weekly close, which is a significant level of resistance here. Now we see a rejection to the downside. So now let's go to the daily time frame to see. Now daily, we saw the from this level of monthly support, you see there's a monthly support, the price went above after this big move. It's a basically retracement of this move to the downside, and also at the same time the price completed this the trend line of this channel. You see there is a there is a channel here on the daily time frame. The price tested the top of this channel. You see there is a resistance here. This is a channel that was following the price with this green candle, tested this resistance of this channel, created another bearish candle, now followed by another one on the daily. So go to the 4 hour now to see how the price action is forming. Now upon closing of this candle, looks like this one is going to close as a doji. Now what we might see after closing as a doji, as you see that after this red move, the buyer's response is very weaker. It's creating a doji after this 4 hour trial. And what we might see that EURCAD also continue to drop from here to there. If we keep a tight stop loss, that can also give a significant trading opportunity on the lower side. So EURCAD, Euro uh, GBP, kind of similar kind of bearish pattern. Now let's go to the Euro NZD. Now, EuroCAD, Euro NZD, and Euro GBP looks like the similar kind of pattern. You see that Euro NZD now created this fake move to the upside, completing a double top here. You see, and then now what do you saw? Another previous 4 hour a strong rejection to the downside. So with this current candle, this is also a 4 hour candle, and what you saw that the price basically now creating a head and shoulder. And what I think that upon closing of this candle, if Euro and ZD cannot it's highly likely that it will not be able to go up from here. And with that being said, Euro and ZD also might slide down after completing this head and shoulder at least to this level of support, which also is really a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.